Hey guys, it's Dean with the Odell Group, and it's Tustin Talks time. We got the brand new market report today, December 17th. So let's get to it. Things are getting a little frigid out there, and it's not just because it's December. Remember, all this information I'm giving you is compared to the exact same time frames of last year. I'm going to share a chart with you. You'll see green represents a seller's market, white represents a neutral market, and red represents a buyer's market. The darker the color, the more extreme. So a dark green color means it's a very much a seller's market. A dark red color means it's very much a buyer's market. There are still 9 cities, which is about 20% of our cities, that are considered a slight seller's market, which means the expected marketing time is less than 90 days. Today there's 13 cities, or 28% of the cities, that are considered a balanced market between 90 and 120 days. Interestingly enough, 52% of all the Orange County cities are either a slight buyer's market between 120 to 150 days or a deep buyer's market over 150 days. Let's take Rancho Santa Margarita for example. There's a market that's really cooled. Last year, the expected marketing time in Rancho Santa Margarita was 20 days. This year, it's 92 days. So that's a dramatic change. Looking at the next chart, this represents the active listing inventory, which is now 6,395 homes. You could see last year at this time, there were 4,023 homes on the market, which means there's 59% more available homes today. In addition, the demand, or the number of pending sales, last year were 1,664 homes that were pending or in escrow, which is 24% more than they were today. So you can see the dynamics of this market has changed quite a bit. The one last chart I want to show you, this is the market represented by price rather than city. So if we look at this, we got the same situation going on. There is no green here, so there is no seller's market by price. There's only a neutral market and only a slight buyer's market and a strong buyer's market. And you can see the expected marketing times and how that's changed from last year. But one thing that's really interesting to look at there is the 62% of the inventory is under $1 million, and it represents 81% of the demand. So all these homes over $1 million that are out there for sale, they're 38% of the inventory, but only 19% of the buyers. So you can see that when you start getting up above, like say 1.25 million, for example, it accounts for 30% of the inventory and only 12% of the demand. This is called Tustin Talk, so let me tell you what's been going on around North Tustin. Okay, so in North Tustin, there are 64 homes on the market. There are 12 in escrow, and the expected marketing time for North Tustin is 160 days. Last year at this time, the expected time was only 65 days. Tustin has 97 homes on the market, 29 in escrow, and the expected marketing time is 100 days. Last year at this time for the city of Tustin, instead of 100 days, it was only 46 days. Tustin is a neutral market. North Tustin is a buyer's market. So you can see throughout the county, even throughout Tustin, North Tustin, the market dynamics have changed, but here's the good news. The good news is there's still tons of buyers out there who want to buy houses. So you just need to get together with us or your real estate agent and talk about what's real, what will people pay for my house, and let's be realistic and get these homes sold. All right? Thanks.